Why, good morning, sir. What are we up to today?
This thing hates me, so it breaks a lot. And I'm tired of it, so I'm gonna fix it.
How many times have you had the fuel pump out of this?
At least 4 times. I thought I was gonna be all cost friendly and just, replace the pump instead of the whole thing. Who was I kidding? So I bought a new whole pump.
Precision. This thing doesn't have as much rust on it as I was expecting it to have.
Well, yeah, because it's covered up with plastic.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So it doesn't like...
Glass pack. I forgot you just cut the exhaust off of this thing. Alright, so we were going to use our homemade headlight bulb to load test the circuit to see if the fuel pump's working. Where did that thing go anyway?
Oh, I put it on a bucket.
Oh, it's hiding? Okay. It's just a halogen light bulb with 2 wires hanging off of it with a plug. Let's see, we have our fuel pump here in a wiring diagram. And it says NCA above it, so I'm assuming that means no color available. So,
no, it stands for New King James.
New King James version. We need the new Bible of the Lincoln.
The new Ford Bible.
So we're gonna do something that you should never do unless you have to, is we're just gonna plug the pump in, turn the key on, and just see if it runs while we're holding it out here. Don't want to do this because it running dry is extremely hard on it, so we're just gonna key on, see if it runs, and just kill it really, really fast so we don't actually kill the pump. But then that will verify all of this. So ready?
Yep. It turns on.
Perfect. Perfect. Let's just swap it though. Hey, little guy. I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh, it blends in. Yeah. Doing what God intended.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Ah! Come on, do something.
Do something.
Gotta be quicker than that. Nope. We should probably quick torch rig him.
Probably.
All right, onward.
He might come back with his friends.
Okay, so we got this upper plug unplugged. You can't actually get to it real easy. We did some unfortunate body work here and folded this out so we could actually get to it. But I got this super long pick.
Average size.
In there, at the average size pick, that's right. And just push down on this clip right here and just pull on the wires. You shouldn't pull on the wires if you can help it, but we do have a new one, and when you can't get a hold of it, you do what you got to do.
Amen.
So now we're going to unbolt the pump. Okay. Yep. We just have a 5-gallon bucket below this, as he's pretty sure the fuel level is above where that thing bolts to. So
I'm 90% sure because I had to go to work before I was done filling this up.
Oh, sure. I do recommend taking out the bottom 2 bolts completely, though, so when it does start dripping, it's not all over your hands. Hey, look at that. You were correct.
Yeah, I'm going to just let it drip.
No, not much you can do.
Oh, yeah. Look at it go.
All right, I'm going to turn this off the camera to save some battery, and we'll come back when we get the sensor out. All right, we're on the last bolt. Our gas dripping is slowed down, almost to a stop. Got our fuel lines disconnected.
Oh, look at those fumes.
Yummy.
Fire hazard, yay.
Yum. It smells like fumes.
Okay. Oh wait, yeah, I need
What are you doing?
Trying to pull it out. Watch your camera, that may drip some more. I forgot this thing has like...
Oh, I'm using it. It's up here. We're good.
Okay. Oh god, I'm about to get a lot of snacks in my face.
What are you doing?
We have a problem. There's a freaking hard light in the way of like... Oh wait,
Are they coming out all the way?
I want to go home.
You are home. For once, we're at your For once, we're at your place and not mine. I don't even know what you're doing right now.
There's so many things in the way of getting that wire snaked out. I may cut it. I don't have anything to cut it with.
I got a pocket knife, but it's super dull. It's got the saw part on it though. You could just hack through it. Okay, I see what you're fighting. Okay, we're finding out now that the wire that comes from this for the fuel tank pressure sensor for the evaporative emissions doesn't actually fit between the fuel tank strap, the fuel tank, and the frame of the car there, or the floor of the trunk more like. So we're actually just gonna cut this. Just, you know, route the new one on the outside of that. All right, we got the pump off. We still have to peel the seal off of the tank there.
The failure lies within my poor wiring. Or I shouldn't say poor, the only thing I could do.
Yeah, just in an attempt to save some money, these little things were advertised as fuel resistant, and I guess they were resistant but not proof. Because I slightly tugged on them and they just ripped out. Maybe this side will rip out too. There you go, just ripped in half. I mean, yeah, that was kind of violent, but this should be able to hold
Remember
up to that a
this
little bit
next time they tell you those armor plates are bullet resistant.
However, I think this pump is still new though, so I think we'll just keep this, put it in a bag and everything. So if this one ever fails, you know, 20 years from now, we'll have a pump for it.
Heck yeah.
All right, let's do it. Well, I'm thinking about it. This is a fuel line quick disconnect tool, and I would argue to say that you do 100% need one to get these fuel lines off. If you look inside of here, you'll see like 4 little tabs on the inside of that line. If you don't compress those or spread them out all at the same time, you'll never get the fuel line off without breaking it. So good luck doing that with a screwdriver.
They're not expensive either. You can get plastic ones for like $2.
Yeah, they are super cheap. You can buy them just like this, or they do make full kits that come with these and a bunch of different ones that have like a bunch of different colors, like red, blue, green, whatever.
Dang, the seal's in there. Oh my god.
Pull, man.
Oh
my goodness, you weren't kidding.
Oh, and then it just comes off, okay.
I moved it to a different angle. This one, however, that one doesn't want to come off.
Maybe we're doing this wrong. Maybe we need to pull out more than down.
Oh, maybe.
Or maybe not.
That thing is not happy with you at all.
Folks, if you ever need a fuel tank seal, go Precision. They don't come off even when you want them to.
It did it again. There it is. Well, either way, it's not happy. Let's see.
Show them after we get the new one in.
Is that thing, there's a little piece of rubber around the nub there. We're not super worried about it, as the new seal doesn't actually, whoops, bump the thing. The new seal doesn't actually do that anyway. It's got little bump outs, unlike the old seal. So we're just gonna slap this on here. Which means we need to hurry up because we're almost done. And this car can run again. Because we have a corner over there to drift, I think, right?
I don't like bending that.
Well then, don't. Hey, you made it.
And then
That's the worst part right there. Home free now. Oh, no, you're spilling it.
Father, help.
Nope. Can you get both hands up here where you can also manipulate? Oh, no, you got it. Never mind. I guess we can move the bucket now. We're done. All right. I'm going to switch here. Camera died, so we got phone action now. Pull these off. And then these fuel lines are different sizes, so you can't get them wrong. And they just make sure it's straight. You want to make sure you don't push too hard that this line bends off of the fuel line. Yep, right on.
Click.
I always like to pull on these like this, make sure it's not going to come back off. Click. Pull. And then these clips are too rusty. Normally these would go here and snap on like this to keep them from coming out if the clips ever failed. We don't have that option anymore. So
there's whip checks.
we're just we're just going to ignore them. You don't actually need them. They're just a safety feature. So, and that's it. We'll get this plugged in and hopefully the car will start.
I had to dig those out of that
I believe it.
freaking pliers. That sucked.
So we'll just get these snugs. We'll get our wire plugged in. We're gonna give our one sensor around the gas tank strap so it's not stuck or fighting anything. So new routing a little bit. We'll get that all plugged in, and we'll meet you outside to see if it's gonna start. But he got this plugged in, kind of routed in such a way that it's away from the air spring. Still might put a zip tie on that if you get a chance.
Yeah.
We got this kind of pushed back down. We'll maybe hammer a little bit. Either way, we're gonna start it first. Attempt to start it before we put it back down. These zip ties are holding up the glass packs, by the way.
Hopefully this works.
I heard pressure. Hey, it's alive!
We forgot to check if it's not leaking.
It's not leaking. Sweet.
You're gonna break it. No. Still runs higher than that T-Bird does.
Its first move in like 2 months. That back tire might be a little flat. I think your left tire is flat.
Yeah, it's low. I'm sure it'll be fine.
You can hear the suspension squeaking. This is the part where I get pelted with rocks and die.
Did it look cool at least?
I mean, it was something. It didn't go sideways, so it didn't have that like cool factor to it. Yeah, I thought you were gonna like drift this corner.
Oh.
Okay, hold on a second, he says. Okay, this is where I die. Oh my God, I'm getting hit. He did it. It still runs. What happened when you turned a corner?
I heard something explode in the trunk, so we're done with that.
Rattling tools?
Maybe.
Should we inspect the trunk?
Well, we'll save that for another day.
Okay.
That's tomorrow's problem.
All right. Well, that's it for this episode. Replacing a fuel pump.
It runs again.
We didn't really do any diagnostics, but it is what it is.
I knew what was wrong.
We knew what was wrong.
I knew what was wrong with it 2 months ago.
The diagnostics were all done, yeah, like he said, 2 months ago. So we just kind of, I just happened to be here this time, so we're gonna video it. Anyway, we'll see you next time.